Greetings, dear friends. In our first session, we asked what is Jyotish. In the second, we explored where does it come from. Today, we ask the most profound question of all, why does Jyotish exist? This is not a question of technique or history, but of cosmic vision. Jyotish is not merely a system of symbols or calculations. It is the alphabet of cosmic energy, a language through which the universe speaks to the human soul. In this session, we will explore the Vedic Cosmic Order, the intelligent, conscious laws that govern all existence, the etymology of Jyotish, why it means science of light, both celestial and inner, the two axes of Jyotish practice, the purposely spiritual vis material, the method, predictive vis judgmental, and the sidereal view of the sky, why Jyotish follows the real stars, not symbolic seasons. Most importantly, we will understand why authentic Jyotish is not fortune-telling, but a path of awareness, surrender, and harmony with the cosmic flow. Let us begin. Cosmic Order and Approaches in Jyotish. As you see on the screen, today's session is titled Cosmic Order and Approaches in Jyotish. This is the heart of our course. All techniques, birth charts, nakshatras, dashes, are meaningless without understanding the cosmic philosophy that animates them. Jyotish is not a random collection of rules. It is the expression of a living, intelligent cosmos, a cosmos in which every being is a microcosm of the whole, and in which the moment of birth encodes the entire arc of a life. The Vedic Cosmic Order. The Vedic worldview rests on three foundational principles. 1. Unity of existence. All beings are reflections of one awareness, what the Upanishads call Brahman. There is no true separation between you and the cosmos. 2. Microcosm-macrocosm correspondence. Every individual is a miniature universe. The same laws that govern galaxies govern your cells, your thoughts, and your karma. 3. Destiny encoded in birth, because the cosmos is a unified field of consciousness. The exact moment of your birth contains the complete blueprint of your life, your potentials, challenges, and karmic lessons. As I wrote in my book, Jyotish is the alphabet of cosmic energy. It teaches us to read the waves of cosmic influence that shape all life, not to fear them, but to ride them with awareness. Etymology of Jyotish. The word Jyotish comes from two Sanskrit roots. Jyot means light. Isha means knowledge or sovereignty. Thus, Jyotish means science of light. But what is this light? It is the celestial light of the sun, moon, and stars, the visible messengers of cosmic order. And at its highest level, it is the inner light of consciousness, the Atman that witnesses all experience. Without light, there is no observation. Without observation, there is no knowledge. Therefore, Jyotish is the science of observing destiny through celestial light, and ultimately, of awakening the inner light through practices like yoga and Ayurveda. As I explain in my book, at its highest level, Jyotish is the union of inner light and yoga, the laws of cosmic consciousness. Branches of Jyotish by purpose. Jyotish can be divided by purpose into two paths. 1. Spiritual Jyotish. Goal self-realization, karma resolution, cosmic harmony. Method analyzes personality to offer guidance for growth. Integrates with yoga and Ayurveda to heal body, mind, and soul. 2. Material Jyotish. Goal worldly success, marriage, wealth, health. Risk ignores the true self and may use non-Vedic methods. Crucially, the ultimate aim of Vedic Jyotish is spiritual evolution, not mere prediction. A true Jyotishi does not say, "You will get rich," but rather, "Here is your karmic field. How will you use it to awaken?" Branches of Jyotish by method. Jyotish can also be divided by method into two approaches. 1. Predictive Jyotish, Phalita Jyotish. Focus, specific events at precise times. Examples: marriage, illness, death, spiritual awakenings, divine love. Uses dashes of planetary periods to time these events. 2. Judgmental Jyotish. Focus innate capacities and potentials. Analyzes health, intelligence, lifespan, spiritual readiness, vitality. Does not predict what will happen, but what you are capable of. Wise Jyotish combines both. Judgmental Jyotish reveals your karmic terrain. Predictive Jyotish shows the timing of events within that terrain. Together, they offer a complete map, not of fate, but of free will within karma. Jyotish's view of the sky. Now, let us address the technical foundation of Jyotish, its view of the sky. There are three main astrological approaches in human history. 1. Tropical Western astrology, based on the vernal equinox seasons. The zodiac shifts due to precession. 2. Sidereal Vedic Jyotish, based on the fixed stars, actual sky. Uses Iyengar to correct for precession. Central to interpretation, the 27 nakshatras, lunar mansions. 3. Mixed Persian and Islamic astrology, blends both systems in different contexts. Jyotish follows the real sky. When we say someone is born under Meshas, Aries, we mean the sun was actually in the constellation of Aries, not in a symbolic point defined by spring. As I emphasize in my book, Jyotish follows the real sky, fixed stars, not seasonal equinoxes. Why these distinctions matter? Why do these distinctions matter? First, without understanding purpose, Jyotish becomes fortune telling, a tool for anxiety, not wisdom. Authentic Jyotish does not predict fate, it reveals karmic awareness, distinguishes between destinies, what is given, and free will, how you respond, offers tools to harmonize with the cosmic flow, not resist it. Second, without understanding method, we confuse Jyotish with other systems. Western sun signs are 24 degrees off from the real sky. Ignoring nakshatras is like reading a book while skipping every third word. As I wrote, Jyotish is the art of surrendering one's will to the wave that carries it effortlessly to its destination. It is not about control, it is about alignment. Conclusion. In closing, let us summarize the essence of Jyotish. 1. Jyotish is the science of light, both celestial and inner. 2. It operates on two key axes: purpose, spiritual self-realization vs material as worldly success. Method predictive as timing events vs judgmental Sal as assessing potentials. 3. Its approach is sidereal, faithful to the actual sky, not symbolic seasons. 4. It rejects randomness and affirms an intelligent cosmic order, a universe that is not blind, but conscious, lawful, and compassionate. And finally, as I wrote in my book, those who study this science will develop a profound, reflective, and intelligent vision of creation and their place within it. Thank you.